Raine, your sweater. You have to take it off.
So, listen, I wasn't going to say anything, but I was definitely getting some vibes, and you're cute and everything, but I just don't swing like that. And
Raine,
it's...
the ripping noise is coming from underneath your sweater.
Oh, well, that's...
What's that lump?
What lump?
On your shoulder blade. It's the size of a grapefruit, and...
And what, Anouk?
It's moving.
All right. Well, let's take a look. Be honest with me, I can't see it. I can't even feel it, actually.
Raine, it's a tick.
I thought you said it was the size of a grapefruit.
It is.
Oh.